Good afternoon, class and professor. This is Anthony with the video on the bonus assignment. So the first question starts with, and I'll go down the list on bullet points. Why are identity and self-image relevant aspects for each person's life? Um, I believe that identity and self-image are two different important aspects to a person because the identity is a group of ideas that represent somebody. And then self-image is natural because like we naturally care about certain people in our life of what they think of us, whether it can be parents, mentors, colleagues, to fit in, for an example, as shown in the movie. Next, so does does Summer's movie offer a good example of how identity and self-image can impact a person's life? Yes. In the beginning of the movie, Amy Schumer viewed herself ugly because she did not fit an image criteria in an image criteria set by the public eye. So, the stereotypical eye, she felt like she was a little overweight and lacked confidence in herself. That view changed though when she was exercising at the gym and she was cycling and she fell off the bicycle. She lost a little bit of hair and scalp, but when she recognized and was conscious and looked at herself in the mirror, she seen a beautiful person. Maybe she looked inside instead of outside and had a change of perspective. Can Renee's problem be placed on the same level as Zuckerberg's problems? Um, I believe so because Mark Zuckerberg is a leader for a lot of people in the technology industry and even the business industry at this point. So when you have people on Wall Street look at him, they come from a different identity, right? And they have this set of standard of self-image when going representing an idea, a brand, a group of people. And when these people invest in money, the Mark Zuckerberg is the one responsible. So I believe that they just felt like that was irresponsible for him and a lack of self-image, caring about that, to be exact. And can how does Renee's Barrett's situation um, parallel to Kennedy's dilemma? Well, they're parallel because again on the self-image and the identity. So all in all, in the movie, you saw that that there was a change of perspective. It was more like looking at the glass half full instead of half empty. In the movie, it was a great piece. I felt like it showed a great example of identity and self-image all in one, and it helps one understand the importance of how this affects everyone. If you can relate, and usually, what we do is when we watch something, we try to relate. So that's where our identity comes in because we're thinking about how we can relate with the situation, right? And also, just like self image, if we see something like in the movie and for the future, we may stumble in stereotypical situations. So, just all in all, this movie was pretty great, and I felt like it just helped me learn more. Thank you, and have a good one.